Hey guys, this is your CloudStrategist channel. I'm Sridhar. In this video, I want to focus on an important topic or a question that I frequently encounter from partners and customers, also from young professionals and as well as university students. And the question is data analytics an important field of profession to focus on? And I think the answer is yes. Data and AI and analytics is the next big wave, similar to what cloud did 14 years ago. The reason it's important now and it's getting its attention now is because of the cloud as a tool that we could use to work on the large volume of data that we are seeing now. And why such a large volume of data, and why do we collect this? Now let me give you a quick anecdote. I looked at my expenses bill a month ago and we felt it was considerably high as compared to some of the previous months. And when I looked at my bank statement, my credit card statement, we came to realize that it because of too much of eat out or Uber Eats, and at the same time because of a higher electricity bill because it's winter time. Now the data that I looked at gave me the information and helped me to identify where the problem is. Now with that, I could actually go back and fix what needs to be done for the next month or the months to come. Now, in today's world, we are encountering problems at global scale. COVID-19 is a living example. Climate change is a living example. In order to solve these problems, we need a lot more data. Lot more data means we need a lot more compute to deal with that data. So that means this entire spectrum of how we collect data and how we analyze them and how we visualize the data is an important field for us to solve large problems. So let's look at this quick diagram on what it takes in the data analytics side of things. In order to solve a problem, we have to collect data relevant to that, similar to what I did by going back to my bank statement and credit card statement. Now, once the data is collected, it's not in a usable form in most cases, so you might have to do a bit of a cleanup. Now, think of data coming from social media, could be Facebook, Twitter, or anything. It's not immediately usable for some sort of analytics. So you might have to do some cleansing on those data. There could be missing fields that you might want to ensure you are cleaning up. Now, then comes how you could choose to enrich the data. What I mean by enriching is by amalgamating multiple data sources so that you could get insights into this. Think of the scenario where I was looking at which part of the year my electricity bill was going high, and that could turn out to be a winter because we are using a lot more heating. Likewise, there could be multiple data sources that you might want to combine to get insights or information from that set of data that you might have. And then eventually it's put in a form which is more presentable, and that's where the insights and visualizing tools like Power BI or any other custom-built web application could be a place. Eventually, we wanted to make sure we use this data and do some predictions so that we could understand how the future is going to look like specific to that information. And I think this entire spectrum of task presents a whole lot of opportunity for young professionals and businesses out there. Imagine the data engineers who collect and cleanse the data. Analysis is done by data analytics engineers, and visualization tools are built by software engineers, and prediction models are done by ML engineers. The entire architecture is managed by a data architect. So I think there are a number of roles, number of important roles that are available in this field of data analytics. I think it's time to focus if we have to solve large problems at a global scale. So start focusing. I'll talk to you again on one another important topic. Take care. Bye.